Alright guys, this is my last pack of the grand creators that I have for you guys today for our reels. Here we go. Here is the pool. One foil on every 7 cards. I'm going to try to do the card trick for you guys. Give me a like and share on our YouTube. Here we kind of go our channel. My name is Jesse. Forgive me for my pronunciation for this new set, but here we go. Card trick is the 3rd card. Let's see. Forest of the Lost Flowers. Ricebell the Star Adjuster. Insector Hopper. Gaiku Punk. Crash Beat. Casco the Sky Blaster.